Is your child falling sick too often? Then here's what you need to watch out. Hi, cough and cold, every mother's nightmare, isn't it? Whenever the seasons change, there is a change in the temperature, the humidity, and the climate in totality. And so, your baby has to fight those changes. A child's body is growing, and so is his or her immune system, making them more susceptible to catching infections. Cough and cold over a span of 6 months, if it happens, say once or twice, I think it's perfectly normal, and actually it's healthy because it helps your child to develop a good immune system. This is when you don't give in to antibiotics easily. Having said that, if the baby has high-grade fever, the entire story is different. But in minor cases of, say, cough and cold, try and give your baby more of home remedies, more of steam inhalations and paracetamol if they are cranky, because that is the safest medicine possible. And another personal suggestion would be try and give them lots and lots of rest and loads of love.